Hello, today we're going to look at the French verb manger, which means to eat. Manger, to eat. Je mange, I eat, I am eating. Je mange, I eat, I am eating. Tu manges, you eat, you are eating. Tu manges, you eat, you are eating. Il mange, he eats or he is eating. Elle mange, she eats or she is eating. Il mange, he eats or he is eating. Elle mange, she eats, she is eating. Nous mangeons, we eat, we are eating. Nous mangeons, we eat, we are eating. Manger conjugates like any other regular ER verb. The endings are all the same. The only difference is in the first person plural when we're using nous, because the root ends with the letter G and the next vowel would be an O, which would make a hard sound. In French, the G often makes the je sound, and in order to do that, they add an E in between the root and the ending to the first person plural. So we get nous mangeons and not nous mangeons. So this is the only exception to manger as a regular ER verb. Other than that, all the endings are going to be the same and it follows the same rules. So, for example, you have vous mangez, you eat, you are eating. Vous mangez, you eat, you are eating. Ils mangent, they eat, they are eating. Using il when you have a group of all males or mixed group of males and females. And elles mangent, they eat, they are eating. Using elle when you have only a group of females. So elles mangent, they eat, they are eating. And now some sentences using the verb manger. Je mange une pomme. I am eating an apple. Je mange une pomme. I am eating an apple. Tu manges à la cafétéria. You eat in the cafeteria. Tu manges à la cafétéria. You eat in the cafeteria. Elle mange du fromage. She is eating cheese. Elle mange du fromage. She is eating cheese. Nous mangeons à midi. We are eating at noon. Nous mangeons à midi. We are eating at noon. Vous mangez à la maison. You eat at home. Vous mangez à la maison. You eat at home. Elle mange des légumes. They are eating vegetables. Elle mange des légumes. They are eating vegetables. All right, well, that's the verb manger. I hope you found this instructive and useful. I would love to see in the comments any examples that you can come up using the verb manger. Maybe tell me something that you have for lunch or dinner or breakfast, or just even for a snack. I'd love to see those in the comments. If you like this mini lesson, please click like and subscribe. I'd love to grow this channel. Until the next time, à la prochaine and au revoir.